Welcome to our comparison of two powerful graphics cards, the XFX Speedster SWFT 319 Radeon RX 6800 and the ASUS TUF Gaming RTX 4080 Super. In this video, we will explore their specifications, performance, and value to help you decide which card is the best fit for your gaming needs. Let's dive into the details. When it comes to pricing, the XFX Speedster SWFT 319 Radeon RX 6800 is priced at $459, making it a more budget-friendly option for gamers. In contrast, the ASUS TUF Gaming RTX 4080 Super comes with a hefty price tag of $1,099. This significant difference in price reflects the performance capabilities and target audience of each card. While the RX 6800 offers great value for 1080p and 1440p gaming, the RTX 4080 is aimed at those who demand top-tier performance, especially for 4K gaming. In terms of performance, the XFX Speedster SWFT 319 Radeon RX 6800 excels in 1080p and 1440p gaming, providing smooth gameplay at these resolutions. However, it struggles with 4K gaming and demanding ray tracing titles. On the other hand, the ASUS TUF Gaming RTX 4080 Super is designed for high-end performance, delivering exceptional frame rates at 4K and supporting advanced features like DLSS 3 and superior ray tracing capabilities. This makes the RTX 4080 the go-to choice for gamers looking for the best performance in the latest titles. Both graphics cards feature effective cooling solutions. The XFX Speedster SWFT 319 utilizes a triple-fan design that ensures optimal thermal performance during gaming sessions, keeping the card cool and quiet. Meanwhile, the ASUS TUF Gaming RTX 4080 Super employs an advanced axial tech fan design, which not only enhances airflow, but also ensures durability and longevity. This robust cooling system is crucial for maintaining performance, especially during extended gaming sessions or when pushing the card to its limits. In conclusion, the choice between the XFX Speedster SWFT 319 Radeon RX 6800 and the ASUS TUF Gaming RTX 4080 Super ultimately depends on your gaming needs and budget. If you're looking for a solid card for 1080p or 1440p gaming at a more affordable price, the RX 6800 is a great option. However, if you want the best performance for 4K gaming and are willing to invest more, the RTX 4080 Super is the clear winner. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.